Notorious Augustone St. Andrew Christopher Dagpa Linton has been shot by a gunman among a group of 4 men who were also shot. So people, that's what we're going to talk about in today's report. So hope everybody alright and have a good time anywhere in the world when they watch this. Hope you all subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching the channel. Hit the notification bell to stay connected. Join the One Bangadan family so we can keep you guys updated on everything what go on and take place in the surrounding on the country. And please remember to leave a like on this video. Smash up the like button so this video could rank up and YouTube could recommend this video to a lot more viewers who would like to see this. And don't forget to leave your opinion down below in the comment section, because remember, I actually read every single comment over here, sir. So yeah, we can read in the comment section. And I think I did enough talking by now. And we're not to do too much of that something there over here, so we're just going to cut out the commercial and go straight to the program. Notorious Augustone St. Andrew Christopher Dagpa Linton has been shot by a gunman. The police say Linton was among a group of 4 men wounded by unknown assailant in the Cane River area of Bull Bay in the parish shortly after 8 p.m. Saturday. The police did not immediately provide details on the incident or Linton condition or that of the other men. Now people, we all are most of y'all supposed to heard of Dagpa. You see me? Dagpa is a big Dan. You see me? I'm on a whole heap of people, look up to a whole heap of people. No one them really. You see me? Like how you have some other big Dan like, I don't know how me at all. We not go call no man name or no Dan name on that channel. You see me? But yeah, some big Dan like where they have some Dan over Tivoli, some Dan from Della and them place there. And yeah, I'm say them place so they all know me at all. But I'm not go check call no name. You see me? But people as me say, I one of them big man there. You see me? And I'm going to leave for share an opinion about this in the comment section. You see me? Because me not gonna say much about this, because as I say, we don't have further details on this. As the police did not immediately provide details on this incident. We don't know him current condition right now, or none of before other man them current condition right now. You see me? How serious them injury is or what. You see me? We don't know if some normal innocent man, the other 4 man them were the dead beside him were also shot and injured too. We don't know if, you see me, we don't really know nothing what going on as also people, but as soon as we get more details, you see me, further details on this, we will keep you guys updated. So as I say, we don't have a whole heap of reason to subscribe and join the One Bangadan family, because a whole heap of thing and everything we are circulate, everything we are take place, you see me, you can find that over here, so everything will take place in the country, like actually everything. You see me, so people as I say, subscribe and join up the channel. You see me, share up the video, like up the video, leave a comment down below in the comment section and let me know what you think.
Persecuted, left for dead. 10 years after he was placed behind bars, Christopher Dagpa Linton is finally coming out as he speaks to the Loop News team about the pain and the suffering that he went through.
Kimo Martins here from Loop News, speaking to Mr. Christopher Linton. So Linton, after being released from behind bars, how are you feeling?
Well, Mr. Kimo, I can say it's an amazing feeling to be free and to be reunited with the family and the members of the community. You know. Yeah.
Back on the street for so many days though, why haven't you come forward, to speak your truth, to let us hear what's on your mind?
Okay, well, let me say, after being away for so long, for so much years, one would need some time to thaw out, like, to feel back the energy, to get back mixed with society, to get that feeling back. Well, finally we're here now, so yeah.
Any form of anger, when you sit and look back, so many years out of your life, spent behind bars, any form of frustration?
Well, frustration. It was a frustrating time of my life, yes. Most frustrating part of my life, But we are here today, it's still focused. is still mentally firm. So I just say it's a part of life and it's an experience one would never want to encounter again. But we're here, we've learned from it. We're here to, paint a better picture as we go forward in life.
So where do you go from here?
From here, I think I'll start by making the right decisions, motivating the youths, in the right future.
In the past, do you think you were misunderstood? The police, you have heard reports that they would have gone out to paint a bad picture of you. Why do you think that is said?
Well, I can't say specifically, but let me just say that I told you I was like you.
How so?
We spoke on the interview, the first interview, and I told you I was an innocent man. I told you I was wrongfully accused. But it speaks for itself. The justice, I must apply the justice system for the tremendous work in getting it right. Other than that, we just hear it's nice to be free, and it's a nice feeling being free. But it's also messed up to be free and still being harassed by the system.
When you say harassed, talk to me about that.
Harassment comes on like whichever car, that affiliates, whichever car that attaches to us, or the vehicles that we are attached to, that I'm attached to, they normally get pulled over more than once. A lot of times now since I'm home, even with the kids in the vehicle, especially a vehicle that they see that is being occupied by my baby mother. They traumatize the kids often, they don't know why. I'm not free, and they're still harassing me.
Are you afraid though, based on what you're seeing and how they're acting, are you in fear?
In fear. At times, at times I'm fearful based on a certain environment or environments that I have to go through at times. I'm fearful that without the presence of, elders or, suitable like elders, I think things will, I'm fearful that in those spaces and times, things could go wrong and will go wrong because